In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a KML file from Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have something you would like to turn into a KML file. I have this folder over here called tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to right click on it and I'm going to click on save place as. Now you can do this for whatever you want. You can do it for like a specific part. If I just wanted this place mark to be a KML file, I can right click on it and click on save place as. You can export folders or of course like entire sections, whatever you want. Now for this video, let's actually just export this folder. I'm going to right click it and click on save place as. In here, you want to switch from KML or from KMZ to KML, of course. So if you want KML, again, select it over here, and then you'll be able to just give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial 123, and then click on the save button, and there we go. That's all you have to do. It's then going to be saved into the folder where you actually saved it onto your computer. So that's how to export a KML file. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.